ready to ditch those touchscreen controls and level up your mobile gaming. Today, I'm going to show you how to connect your PS4 controller to your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 in just a few easy steps. First, we need to put your PS4 controller into pairing mode. To do this, simultaneously press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button. Keep holding both buttons until the light bar on the back of the controller starts flashing rapidly. This means it's ready to pair. Now grab your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8, swipe down from the top of the screen to access the quick settings panel, and then tap and hold the Bluetooth icon. This will take you directly to the Bluetooth settings menu. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. Your Tab S8 will start scanning for nearby Bluetooth devices. You should see wireless controller appear in the list of available devices. This is your PS4 controller. Tap on wireless controller to initiate the pairing process. A pairing request pop-up will appear, asking if you want to pair with the wireless controller. Tap pair. Your Tab S8 will connect to the controller. Once successfully paired, the light bar on your PS4 controller will turn a solid color. This confirms that the connection is established. And that's it. You can now launch your favorite games and apps that support controller input. Test it out and enjoy a more immersive gaming experience. If you experience any connectivity issues, try restarting Bluetooth on both your Tab S8 and the controller. You can also try forgetting the device in your Bluetooth settings and repeating the pairing process. Also, make sure your controller is sufficiently charged. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more tech tips and gaming tutorials. Let me know in the comments what games you're playing with your PS4 controller on your Tab S8. Thanks for watching.